Hello, everyone. My name is Yemi, and today we are going to be discussing, talking about how to create a black lined notebook using PowerPoint. A lot of people talk about how to do it using Canva, and I think there are quite a number of tutorials also about PowerPoint, but it's not, as popular as Canva is being used. So today I decided to just do a quick tutorial showing you how you can easily create a blank notebook or journal or whatever you want to call it within 5 minutes or less using PowerPoint. So if you just coming across my channel today, you're welcome to the Yemionline channel, and where we talk about how to make money online, legitimate ways to make money online, and we also share tips and tricks that will help you, as an internet marketer and basically anything that has to do with making money online. This is the right place to be. So in case you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. That way YouTube gets to show it to more people, and I get encouraged to keep on doing what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's move on to what I have for you today. So if you want to use PowerPoint to create a notebook, the very first thing you're going to need to do is to change the dimensions, because when you load up a normal what do you call it, a page, a normal slide like this in PowerPoint, what happens is you're just going to get a default page which looks something like this. You go see add the title, blah blah blah, like that. So, and basically if you want to create a notebook, most times the common notebooks I've seen, maybe 6 by 9, 8.5 by 11, and I think 7.5 by 9 to 5 inches or so. So the very first thing we're going to do here now is at least you should have an idea of the kind of book you want to create and the dimensions of the interior of that book. So for this example, let's just say that we want to create a 6 by 9 inch notebook. So the very first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to the design tab, and then we'll click on, okay, we click on the orientation. Let's change it to portrait. Then let's go to the page setup, and under the page setup we can now change the dimensions. So here I'm going to change dimensions to 6 by 9. Then click OK, and the page has been resized. So let me zoom it up closer a little. But upon looking at this, on the second thought, let's do it. Let's use let me use let me use 7.5 by 9.25. It's also another popular dimension that a lot of people use to upload to use for their notebooks on Amazon. So now that we've changed it to 7.5 by 9.25, I'm going to remove this. Going to remove this. Okay, and I'm going to insert. Click on the insert tab, and then I'll go to shapes, and then I'm going to insert a line. So let me insert a line over here. Okay, now the color is kind of bluish, and I don't want that. I want to change it to black, not too black, but yeah, let's change it to black. Or let me see if we could get a kind of grayish color over here. Um, okay, all right. So it's not too black. All right. So now that we've had our line in place, in case you want to increase the weight, you could just all you need to do is just click on it, and then I think you highlight. Um, you can increase the weight, but for this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So now we have our line. So what I'm going to do now is to copy, and I'm going to paste it multiple times. Okay, and then I'm just going to arrange them. Just do some random arrangement here. Let's take one down here. Another. And, let's see. I think I'm going to delete one. And I think we're already having too many lines already. Okay. So you can see that it's already beginning to look like a lined notebook. However, the lines are not equally spaced, as you may have noticed. But we are going to fix that. I just want to do some little arrangement. Okay. So now we have something that looks like a lined notebook. So what we need to do now is to click on, okay, now you have the cursor on one. Just click on Control A to highlight, to pick, select all. So now all the lines are selected. Then what we need to do now is to go to, you need to go to, so we need to go to Align. And then what we want to do now, we want to distribute these lines evenly vertically. So we just click on this Align. And then you ensure that this box is checked, Align selected objects. And you just click on Distribute vertically. And you can see as soon as I clicked that, everything aligned properly. And then if you look at it now, you see that all the lines are equally spaced and everything is okay. So now you have just one page of your book, of your interior of your notebook. So how do you now, let's assume your book is going to have, your notebook is going to have 100 pages. How do you get it up to 100 pages? Well, that's also very easy. All you need to do right now is to select this page, and then you just click on Control D to do this, to duplicate. And you just keep on clicking Control D, and it's going to keep duplicating. So let me duplicate it up to 10. All right, so I have 10 pages right now. As you can see, I'm on the number 10th page here. So I'm just going to select all, Control A, and then I'll use Control D again to duplicate to 20 pages, 30, 40, 50. So by the time I click on Control D like 10 times, I'm going to have 100 pages. So let's do that quickly. Control D. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So sorry, I clicked on it 10 times. So we have 110 pages. So as you can see, our notebook is ready. Our interior of our notebook is ready. And then if you want to get it out of here, if you want to publish it, if you want to, what do you call it now? You want to save it. All you need to do now is just click on the file button, and then you just click on save as, and you name it what you want to name it. I can call it my notebook, and then the file type, I change it to PDF. And it's going to ask me where I want to save it. And I am going to save it. Let's see. I'm going to save it. Let's save it in here. And it's going to publish. And that's so all I need to do now is just to go to my desktop where I saved it. So this is my notebook. If I click on it, it's going to, I saved it as PDF, so it's going to be in PDF. As soon as I open it, PDF is going to load. Sorry, my system is a bit slow, and that's why it's taking time to open. And there you have it. This is your notebook. As you can see, PDF, and it's 110 pages, and that's just it. I could have done some customization, put a text, maybe probably include a place to put it, put it to write your dates and all of that. These are fancy things, and it's not really that difficult to. I just thought I'd do a quick video to share with you how you can easily use sorry, PowerPoint to create a notebook interior. And I hope you learned something from this video. So kindly like, subscribe, and share the video. It does a lot to me in terms of giving me the motivation to keep creating videos like this. So thank you very much, and that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye.